Hey everybody, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. What we're going to do today, we're going to do a little breakfast cook. I'm actually going to show y'all how we did breakfast and, cook some stuff during the hurricane or after the hurricane. Real simple, the Traeger pit, it's got a good workout. I just ran it off my generator, but y'all come check this out. What we're working with today, we've got just a 5-pack of some grand biscuits right here, and we're gonna do some bacon there, and I got 3 eggs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna scramble these or try to do them sunny side up, but anyway, and I will be using Uncle Steve's original shake on my eggs. So anyway, I'm gonna go out here and get the Traeger fired up, and y'all stick around and I'll show y'all what else we gonna do. Grill's almost up to temp, and I'm gonna do scrambled eggs today. We're gonna put a little bit of Uncle Steve's original shake in here, about that much, and we're just gonna whip them up like that. I still got everybody still doing storm cleanup and all that, and we got a few things to do, so I'm trying to slip in a video right quick. Trying to get back on track, but anyway. Alright, so that's good for that. And alright, Traeger's up to temp. Put a little spray on my bacon sheet there. And we're going to let these go about 10 minutes. And we're going to flip them. And we're going to probably go another maybe 10. We'll be back and check on them. Alright, we got the cast iron up to temp. This is what we had to do after the hurricane. We were out of power for 12 days, y'all. Didn't have water for 3, but you know what? We made it. We made it. How you say you gotta do what you gotta do. So, we'll let that go for a minute, and we'll come back and check on it. Alright, bacon's done. Not bad, y'all. Should be nice and crispy. Oh, man, yeah, that's done. I'm gonna leave that in there for the eggs. Scramble them up, baby. Scramble them up. Got to move fast. Look how hot that is. Oh, yeah. Kind of like camp cooking, you know. Don't take but a minute. Just keep them moving so you don't burn nothing up. All right, gang. Let me get these off of here. Get these in. We're gonna check on the biscuits in just a minute. All right, let's check these biscuits. Ooh, nice. Look at that. That's why I like to flip mine about halfway through. Oh yeah. Hot moonshine hot. Alright. Probably about another 7 minutes. I'll meet y'all inside when we're ready to throw this stuff together. We got this plated up. Everything's nice and hot. Well, I tell you what, I put a little butter. Look, still smoking, man. The Traeger makes excellent biscuits, y'all. Excellent biscuits. And bacon came out good. Tell you what. We got to try these eggs with some of this Uncle Steve's on in here. And I did put a little sharp cheddar cheese on my eggs, and y'all don't forget we had them bacon bits in there too. So, oh yeah. Cheers to you, gang. Something about frying your eggs, or cooking your eggs in your bacon grease. That's next level good, y'all. No kidding. No kidding. A little bacon. A yum. Cast iron. Alright. And I'll tell you what I like to do. Y'all come back down here. Let's do this. We're gonna make us a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. About that. Put that little bacon on there. Like that. Put the cap on it. Now, let's get a bite of that. Cheers, gang. Y'all, that's good. Pardon me. And the Uncle Steve's original shake on those eggs, that's good stuff, man. You can check out UncleSteves.com and get y'all some of those delicious rubs and shakes. That's how we've been cooking. You know, after the storm, we got power back. Everything is good now. You know, we use the Traeger a lot. Did some cooking with the propane burner out there, and it really helped out. So everything's good here now, y'all. I appreciate all of y'all. We're trying to get back on track. Anyway, thank y'all for stopping by, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.